channel, if you've seen a previous video of ours, which we did last week, which was about throwing with a cane, we're going to take that technique and we're going to adapt it slightly. So if you really want us to help us out, smash the like button, drop us a line down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, buy an ever so fetching t-shirt if you really want, and don't forget, free the fear. With the previous video, it was very much a linear, stepping through, pushing and pulling technique. In kata, there's a lot of 90-degree turn, 180-degree turns, 270-degree turns. So this is an adaptation of what we just done, but using rotational force. Everything else is going to be the same. I'm going to start with my left hand. So it could be the grab, I've blocked, defended. So this time, I'm going to go anti-clockwise. So watch Callum's face as I'm throwing it. So the move, without Callum in the hook, my cane is going to go from here down to here. Now neck techniques are very dangerous, so please be careful when you're doing this. This will be my assist, or this will be my assist, or I just put it against my body and that will be my assist. I'm going to hold to Callum for safety. So as I'm turning, I'm pulling the cane down, and when I get to a nice point, his leg's going to come up, I've taken the cane off for safety. It would be down here, but it's a nice rotational force. It's a little bit easier than the other one. I'm going to show it from this perspective. There's the hook. I'm going to jam this in here. He did not like that at all. So I'm stepping through, where I'm almost hip checking him as I do this. I'm taking him round. I'm being very, very careful here. I'm hacking the leg and I'm down. What you didn't see is while he was on the floor, now remember, when you're putting this on, you're not gently placing it on and giving a nice little pat on the head. This is going on. You're striking and dragging. This is driving in. I've thrown him. He's on the floor. Imagine we're on the floor now. If he's lying on the floor, I want to control him. My knee would be on his chest, controlling him, but I'm twisting and pressing at the same time. As you can see, he's nicely controlled, and then if I apply my knee to his chest, I can press down with my knee and pull with my cane. If I've had enough, I can just walk away and drag him with me as I go. That's the cane with my left hand. Works equally well with the right hand. There's no real difference. If the cane is up this way, it still hasn't changed. I've just got a different motion coming in. So I've got these points. I can engage him to get into my position. If I, God forbid, forget my cane, it's exactly the same technique. I'm pulling, I'm pushing, and I'm throwing him to the ground. Then I remember where my cane is, and then I can not hit him in the head because that's illegal.
Right, I'm in the chair and I've got a full cane. The only reason I'm using the full cane is just demonstration. You can do it with a half cane. You may have a controlling technique, and I love this bend, love this bend. As Chris said before, I'm not going to gently push in, I'm going to really give that a good whack. I'm going to get Chris to stick the cane on his neck. One thing that does look good here is this coming up to control this way, but if I've got my hand off the cane, almost hit me.
Yeah.
So I hit in, place the cane please mate. I'm coming up to lock this into his throat. Then when I move, I've got complete control, and I'm not going to go any further because this is actually locked onto his neck now. If my crooks, I mean I'm terrible for this. The cane is usually here. That comes out, I rest, I have a little sleep, I cuddle it. Works even better for me because when I've struck on, and then I do the circle, as soon as I get to this part, you can't see it, unfortunately. Chris has gone into a smirk. He knows what's coming next, and what he's doing is pushing where the medulla oblongata, or the base of the spine, the base of the brain meets the spine. And as that comes up there, I've got a thumb. I won't go any further, mate. I've got a thumb that's doing it. I'm not using the turning motion. I'm not using hip throws to bring him off the ground. I'm using the way the body is built to lock little areas in to then use this technique. Great when I'm in a chair.
What about 2 canes?
What, you want me to hit with 2 canes?
You can try.
Oh, that one, mate.
No, you have no cane.
Okay, Kev 3 canes now, because I'm greedy. The reason I'm using it, Dojo cane, because it's kinder to your partner. So, if I was cross-hand from here, as soon as I start moving, it's sliding off because I can't bring the hand up to lock and use the other hand to do the turn motion. But if the hand's up, again, nicely in, can you place the cane please? Comfortable?
Comfy.
The step back, as I step back, hand drops down the cane, and it's a big full circle. It looked, the cane did move, it looked as if it wasn't going to work. Reason being, safety. If I fell, I'm going to snap my friend's neck, and I don't really want to do that yet.
These are designed to come off the neck. Do it slowly with that one.
Okay. You're insured?
Yep.
Okay, so the arm's coming in. Strikes through, can you place it for me?
Ow, 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 ow. Didn't know that.
And I come up to here.
Ow. Keep going. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you,
Take it off. You can see the difference between the two. If we put the crooks up like this, you can see.
that's why we have dojo canes.
Yeah, and it's important to do that. So yes, it works with 2 canes. It works in the chair perfectly. Works empty-handed.
Yep.
Works one-hand cane. We think it's a good technique. Let us know what you think by dropping the 9 down in the comments section. Smash the like button, please. It really helps our channel out.
Buy a t-shirt. Impress your friends at parties. You have no friends.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you like it, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you want to look as smart as we do, don't forget to check out the merchandise on Teesprings.
Check out our social media accounts, see what's going on in the world of Sensei Cane.
Hit that bell and free the fear.